Good morning, student. Today we are going to start or discuss about the value of G on the earth. The value of G on the earth is not the same. It can be changes with the different places. So we have to understand the value of G or acceleration due to gravity. How the value of G variations or it can be changes from place to place. So first we have to discuss or we have to understand the value of G also change along the surface of earth. Look at this, change along the surface of earth. We know that the earth is not spherical in a shape, so at the equator and poles the shape of earth is different. On the equator, the earth becomes bulgate. The earth becomes bulgate. Earth is bulgate. The earth become bulgate. So the radius of earth increases and value of acceleration due to gravity decreases. The value of G decreases because it is bulges at equator. इक्वेटर याचा अर्थ विषुववृत्त. पृथ्वीचा आकार विषुववृत्तावर ही फुगीर झालेली आहे. त्यामुळं फुगीर भाग म्हणता येईल विषुववृत्तावर पृथ्वीचा. त्यामुळे ॲक्सेलरेशन ड्यू टू ग्रॅव्हिटी याची व्हॅल्यू या ठिकाणी कमी आहे. दॅट इज द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ जी इज 9.78 and at number 2 at poles the value of G increases because at the poles the shape of the earth is flatter. The earth is flatter. So the value of G increases. Value of G increases. It becomes 9.832. Look at this. The value of G is not the same on the earth. It increases, it decreases on equator. विषुववृत्तावर G याची व्हॅल्यू कमी आलेली आहे, कमीत कमी आहे. का कमी आहे? कारण विषुववृत्तावर पृथ्वी फुगलेली आहे आणि फुगीर असल्यामुळे त्या ठिकाणी G ची व्हॅल्यू कमी आहे. At the equator the shape of the earth becomes bulgate. So the value of G decreases, that is 9.78. And at the poles the earth is a flatter या शब्दाचा अर्थ चपटी, चपट झालेली आहे पृथ्वी या ध्रुवावर. at the poles the earth is a flatter, so the value of G increases, that is 9.832. या ध्रुवावर पृथ्वी चपटी झालेली आहे त्यामुळे G ची व्हॅल्यू या ठिकाणी वाढलेली आहे. G ची व्हॅल्यू आपल्याला सांगते 9.832. So the value of G is different. It can changes from the surface of earth. हे अंडरस्टँड झालं असेल. At the equator the value of earth is decreases. It becomes 9.78. And at the poles the earth is flatter. So the value of G increases, that is 9.832. Equator यावर the value of G decreases 9.78 and at the poles the value of G increases, that is 9.832. Number second, change with height. The value of G also changes when we go from above the earth. जसं जसं आपण पृथ्वीच्या वर जाऊ तसं तसं आपल्या व्हॅल्यू या G ची ह्या ठिकाणी डिक्रीज होते. Value of G decreases when we go above the earth. The value of G decreases and radius of earth increases. When we go above the earth's surface, the value of G decreases and the radius of earth increases. Number third, change with depth. When we go inside the earth, the value of G also decreases. The value of G also decreases and the value of G also decreases. So these are the 3 points in which the value of G also changes. Number first, change along the surface of earth. On equator, the value of g decreases. It becomes 9.78. On and at a poles, the value of g increases. That is 9.832. Number 2. Change with height. When we go above the earth's surface, the value of g decreases and radius of earth increases. Number 3. Change with depth. When we go inside the earth, the value of g also decreases. Now, next point we have to given, or next point we have to understand, that is the free fall. Free fall. This concept already we have to study, we have to given in a 9th standard. 9th standard ला आपण फ्री फॉल, मुक्त पतन हा कन्सेप्ट समजून घेतलेला आहे. फ्री फॉल म्हणजे काय, तर मुक्त पतन. एखादा पेन आपल्या हातात असेल त्यावेळेस त्याला रेस्ट पोझिशन मध्ये असेल. व्हेन द पेन इन आवर हँड इट बिकम्स अ रेस्ट पोझिशन, बट व्हेन वी रिलीज द पेन फ्रॉम आवर हँड, then the pen also falls down, start to falls down vertically in a direction attracted toward the earth, because the pen having in a motion. So due to the acceleration due to gravity, so the initial velocity of a pen becomes 0. When it releases from our hand, it becomes in a motion and falls on the earth's surface. So free fall means when an object falls under the influence of gravity is called as a free fall. In a free fall, initial velocity of object is 0, and the motion of object is increases due to the acceleration due to gravity. During free fall, the fractional force opposes to air of object, so motion of object decreases and the beyond force act on the object. So true free fall occurs only in a vacuum. True free fall occurs only in a vacuum. For calculating the velocity of object and time taken reached to the earth, we have to be calculated by using Newton's equation of motion. जर आपल्याला एखादी वस्तू पृथ्वीवर पडत असताना त्या वस्तूचा वेग आणि लागणारा कालावधी हा जर काढायचा असेल, तर न्यूटनच्या गतिविषयक नियमांचा वापर आपल्याला करावा लागेल. Newton's law of motion, we know that the first law is v equal to u plus at. Second, s equal to ut plus 1 upon 2 at square, and third, v square equal to u square plus 2as. In this equation, the initial velocity u equal to 0 and a equal to g. So finding the velocity of object and time taken reach to the earth's surface calculated by using these equations as v equal to at means we have to write as gt, a equal to g, u initial velocity 0, then s equal to 0 into t means 0, 1 upon 2 gt square, and third v square equal to u square means 0, 2as means 2gs. These are the three equations. We have to find the velocity of object and time taken for object reach the earth's surface. Then the moon and artificial satellite are in a free fall, and because under the influence of a gravitational field, under the influence of gravitational force, they revolve in a fixed orbit. So moon and artificial satellite are in a free fall. So the remaining part we have to study in a next period.